So, as a part of our effort to find out what kinds of hardware everyone is running on, we're going to ask you to install a monitoring package. Now, this is not surveillance. It can't see what you're doing on screen. It doesn't record anything that you've done on your computer. All it does is it reports back to me about the CPU speed that you've got and type. It reports how much RAM you have, the storage capacity, how much of the storage capacity is in use, whether or not there are any physical problems with the computer, like a bad battery, bad fans, bad memory, bad hard drive, etc. This will help us to plan the replacement schedule down the road of the computers in the company. This will help us to get our hardware profile for the entire organization up to speed. So you're going to get this email from me, Sean at creativetechmanagement.com. It's going to have a link in it that looks something like this, monitoring server. You're going to click on that link, and it's going to take you to a website that says Creative Technology Management at the top, and it's going to say, download your installer. You'll put in your first name and your last name along with your Curtis Stone email address. That could be any email address within any of the Curtis Stone organizations, including the restaurants or the business, whatever. When you got that in there, click continue. And whenever it finishes building the installer, which may take a long time for you if it's the first time you've ever done this, you're going to click download installer, and it will download the installer for you to install. Now you're going to open up the monitoring client package. We've already done this before, so there's two of them for us, but for you, there probably will only be one. And you're going to click continue on the installer. Click install. Add your local admin password and click install software. This, by the way, will work if you're running on a Windows computer, on Linux, and on Mac OS. It'll look different depending on the device that you're running on and the browser type you're using. When it's completed, click close, hit move to trash, and you're done. You can close and delete the email that I sent to you, and you can close the web browser window, and you can move on with your day. Thanks so much.